Unaita china 5000 ukawina 5000.
Mkona nini mkoma Fantani?
Yeah.
Inini Dinion's Ranger Tiga, CEO of Big Boys, be Mageto Youth. Chunja ndongo ite papa. Ndati Mageto itsa novana kirwa kana Mageto itsa noziya novana ta marecords ese Geto itingirana nange koko. Tangoriitira zvinhu zvarone semunhu anenge awina chi mari iyi ndeye Mageto Youth.
Sautora tukawina 5000 uchangoipa Mageto idzi.
Aiwa 5000 ichaenda ku Big Boys Music totenga equipment rese Mageto Youth owano better chi production.
Ngatimumbire maoko mfana ane vision mfana. Right. You walk win 5,000 in Mfano Ketties of Cheapest Promotions. Which I teach you now.
Yeah, man, not a joke like a great boss. I say, like I win 5,000. I just start to kutenga gorite. I'm a gold buyer.
Gold buyer. So 5,000, but take a good Rwanda saying Mfano. Because gold now on the kg, I already have 50 grams.
So 5,000, but take 10 grams because they're queer. Rubita 130 per gram.
Oh, per 5 grams, don't take 10 grams.
Yeah, man.
Alright, man, is a good man.
Yeah, man.
Right. Mfano nguka win 5 grand. Ketties of Cheapest Promotions. Unaita inayo 5,000 Mfano.
Yeah, man. First of all, my name is DM Creeper Ruguru. So I can build a studio to promote my works because right now is in pass.
Unogazira studio.
Yes.
Unogara
go
Glenview. Alright, good. Glenview kuna na Glenview. You sit and then Mfano. Ukawina 5 grand uchaite inayo mari Mfano. Mfano zantoro zokutenga masini. Ukwendizo rehab usatu watenga mfano.
Maboys zangu mkiti.
Unaita ze?
Sponsor maboys zangu.
Una sponsor chi? Alright, massive. We're just having a good time. Paropa Sports Center. You know, you road to Cup Clash. Cup Clash, you come so 20 December. So 20 December, you better be there. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Big things are going so 20 December. Ketties of Cheapest Promotions. And special mention goes to a prophet Kuda Jose. Vachiti say no to drugs and yes to Jesus. Right. Takuzokera ku program yedu hapa nongo. Zita ndiani unopane kopi.
Zita ndi Ranger D official. Dinopa ku Ice Stone. Kunonzi kwa Ranger. Makombe ajano kuriwa pa market square mkomba. Ice Stone kwa Ranger.
Nice mfano. That's why it's Ranger D. Good. Zita ndiani ndo unopane kopi mfano. Sikuwa pa Tuesday.
Yeah man. My name is Gweja Boss Makorokoza family. Ndopane pa Dombo Shower Showground. Yeah man.
Danso ndipo rhythm tiende babangu. Let's go. Sikuwa direct mashine mpisa na mfano.
You wanna say?
Tell me.
No. Not a joke. It's like a Gweja Boss Makorokoza family.
Tell it.
Pull it out, you say.
Mr. Ranger D. Yaman. Utanga na good food. Tembo man. Denda kudumbure nyika. Goma Fantani. Sanduk namdara chipas. Zitanga mawan. Blue eyes. Aripi kwa buri zekan. Uyu anakona ere Fantani wapiri. Nika zonkuza eni vanotinda sirira. Ino banyangwa mazi nikanda kamirira. Ana mtefasi ayakuzu fonera.
Sirishe mango manda itatepa yeti. Zima moto kunge fire brigeti. Kunge mambo faro ndagara pachikaro. Ndafati mafaro kunge jezi faro. Kuli mjeri ndavuisa doketi. This time andicha dila nemas broket.
Sanonzi Ranger kakoma nakaduku. Kakasunga na ngoma kungatituku. Kava verengesa Johnny na luku. Kava manyisa twara kuno buda mapuku. Banoteno kamisa vayandine uru. Mwamu kusikata pekoda paketire msongo. Akarowe kuka Taipe matombo Akamiswe ni mkata Taipe anakombo.
No, not a jokes. It's like a Gweja Boss. Napinda vangu ni mapatani. Kote asatani mapatani. Anapinda pa location ni mapatani.
Dinenge repiteu Nema kumanda tofamba kazumameu Kuta chinja Kuta kunge yes-tau Ito autuende jipinda nechi freestyle Lebor gumsoro Kuta kunge bus Ndova chinja Kuta kunge syllabus Kanalika kama dina konzira finance Ndutaura fe But I used to realize
Nasika zangu people pa
Thank you so much. Mfano, let's go mfano. Zita unanzani